Okay guys, in this video we will be having an introduction to the responsive design so we can make our grid system responsive. What is the responsive design anyway? I'm going to show you an example, a real life example. Here we got this page. It's having two columns for the one page of one row, and this is in line. When we make the screen larger again, here we got three columns, and when we make it larger again, we will be having here, this is having the display of flex and flex direction, and this one is having three columns. This is the responsive design. I want something to be changing, or I want to change the width of something with changing the screen. We can set the screen pack now. We can open this one here, type HTML5, this one to be responsive design. And after this part, we can connect between this file and its CSS, but this one to be responsive.css. Okay. The first thing we will do right now, we can go and make dev with class of change color. Yes, change color. In this video, we will use the breakpoints which we will use to make the grid system responsive. We can type something inside like h1 im changeable according to the width of the screen. When we go and reload, okay, we got this. How we can type the responsive design? As you can see from here, we can copy this class and inside at h1 to be having the color of red, background color of black. So now we got this, and when we go to the large screen, we got also this. But I want, for the small screen, I want it to be having the color of, let's make color of green for the small screen. We will not edit from this screen. We will not edit from the 0 pixels to the 576 pixels. We will start editing from 576 pixels until we go to the largest one, which is infinity. Okay, let's make this smaller. So this code will be from the 0 pixels to the 576 pixels. But I want to edit something from the 576 pixels until we go to 768 pixels. We can use something which is called media, and here we can open the bracket. The minimum width I want to add here, minimum width, I want to make the minimum width to be 576 pixels, and I want the maximum width to be 767.98 pixels, and I'm going to show you very soon why we choose this number. Let's open the bracket, and then after this part we can copy this one, paste it here. I want the color here to be green and background color to be orange. Let's make the screen smaller to start from the beginning. We can cancel this one right here. So here we got this, but when we make the screen larger, we will be having different color with different background. The second breakpoint we have here is from the 768 to the 992 pixels. We can create a new one here. Minimum width 768 pixels. And now that's why I choose 767.98 pixels, because if we code it here to be 768 and here 768, it will be making a problem because the code will read this part and this part for the same width. So that will make a problem. So we need to give a gap between this width and this width. And here we can make and max width to be having the width of 991.98 pixels. We can open the bracket, paste this. For the screen, I can change the color to be having for, yes, let me think about it, aqua, and background color of black. Let's reload. When we go to the screen, so now we got the green color and the background color of orange. And when we reach the 768 pixels, so now we have a different color with the background color. We can go and create from the 992 pixels until we reach the 1200. We can make here media of minimum width of 992 pixels and max width to be having the width of 1199.98 pixels. We can open the bracket right here and paste this styling function. For this one, we can set here the color. Let's see what color we can give it here. Sorry, not this one. Color, and for the color we can give it, yes, purple. And for the background color, we can make it something light, same as silver. We can save, go back. So let's start from the beginning to make sure that everything is working fine. We can go to this part. So now we got the orange and green, black and aqua. When we reach the 992, we will be having silver and purple. Okay, after this part, we can try from the 1200 until we reach the 1400. Here we can create a new media. Minimum width of 1200 pixels and max width to be having the width of 1399.98 pixels. Open the bracket here and paste this styling function. For this one, we can make it to the color. What about the say green? And for the background color, we can make snow white or just snow. Let's save, go back here. So here we will be having this for the small screen from the 0 pixels until we reach the 5.98 pixels. And then after this part, we have this orange and green. This for the black and aqua. This for the purple and silver. And this is for the sea green and silver. And the last breakpoint we have here, which will be starting from the 1400 media of just minimum width of 1400 pixels. We can open the bracket and paste. This one we can make it to blue and background color of sky blue. Let's save, go back, reload. When we reach the 1400, we got this color. Okay, so that's good. Now we are having a responsive design of this page. In the next video, we will know how to make our grid system responsive. So good luck and have fun.